Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.